Hey bosses, this is Nina. This video is all about how to create a Facebook, um, how to use the Facebook Creators Live Creator Kit. The Facebook Creators Live Creator Kit actually helps you add things like this little border up here and down there. You could add your own emojis and stickers. You could add your logo. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this quick video. I don't use Facebook Live as much as I used to, so this isn't a feature that I'll be using, but wanted to record this video because a bunch of people have asked about it. So let's go. First of all, let me just show you a couple of tricks. So in order to get to these settings for your personal page, it's in your video settings. The easiest way to do that is to find any video on on Facebook, click on the gear and click on more settings. That's the quickest way to get to your video. However, if you want to do it the long way, or for those of you that just want to know where it's located, you can go up to your right-hand corner and click on the drop-down arrow. You can go down to settings, and then you're going to click on videos. Okay, just a couple of things. This is where you set your entire video settings. So your default quality of your video, if you want to change that, whether they autoplay or wait for you, there's a couple of guidelines here. And also if your captions are on by default. I turn mine on default because I usually watch this when I'm in bed and I don't want to disturb anyone in the room. And you can go ahead and click on edit and you can set your colors. I have mine as pink and black. This is the colors for your captions that are displayed. All right, let's jump into the Live Creator Kit. So your Live Creator Kit is where you actually create all of these elements for your live stream. I'm gonna go ahead and click on Create. Okay, it's gonna ask you who you're continuing as, because I do have a Facebook Creators business page as well, or business account. So here I'm gonna upload art. This one's gonna be for my personal page. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Socially Nina here, or I can put Pink Boss Club. I'm gonna go ahead and put Socially Nina. One thing I've noticed is if it's at the bottom, it gets kind of drowned out. So I'm gonna put it at the top. This is where it usually says live. So I'm gonna put it at the top right? Usually in the middle to say, you know, live, going live. Keep in mind that your videos on live stream are all they're going to be in portrait mode. So you can go up to the top here and you can see the different formats. It looks like I need to bring this down just a little bit and over just a little bit. You can resize it. If you have multiple items, so maybe you have a black box or some tinted something or other or something fancy, you can, there's different layers just like in Canva or PicMonkey or anything else. You can go through and kind of use this to edit. Okay, so now that my frame is done, look at the preview here, right? I can move to next and you can upload your intro video. I don't really have an intro video, but I did record something really quick to use for this training. So I'm just gonna double click. This was like no makeup, no nothing. Keep in mind that you can have your intro video be up to 180 seconds, but they suggest that it's under 90 seconds. You don't want to lose your audience in an intro. So make this exciting. Mine is just a video of me talking. If that's what you're going to do, you can just do that on your live stream. I would make this a video that you actually create. Have a video creator or content creator create something for you, or even go over to Fiverr and create something exciting, but you want to keep them involved. Okay, if it's over 90 seconds, you'll get like this little yellow triangle indicating, you know, they're kind of telling you, hey, keep it down, it's too long. You can also upload an outro video, which I'm not gonna do. Your outro may be your call to action. Notice that your outro is actually, they're suggesting that it should be shorter. So it can't be longer than 60 seconds, and they recommend that it's under 30 seconds. Okay, so keep that in mind. Also keep in mind that I did this portrait mode, not the landscape mode that you usually do your YouTube videos in. It said that it's in landscape. I did not use landscape unless I uploaded the wrong video. This is really interesting because I did not do landscape mode. But I'll see if there's another video I can upload. For now, we'll just keep it like this. I have tried this before with other videos, so it does work. I'm gonna go ahead and click on upload live stickers. Now for your live stickers, you can have up to 5, and these are like, you know, when you do the hearts or emojis or angry face or whatever, the sad face. You can actually upload your own. So I would do just a couple different ones. These are logos for my brand. So maybe I would do this, then that one. But keep in mind, it has to be 256 by 256, and you can upload up to 5 of them. So 256 by 256, and up to 5 stickers. Okay, I'm just going to do one for now. I will include a video later in the links or in the description box with a link to a video on how you create your emojis or your stickers. It's really a favicon. So if you have a favicon for your site, you can use that. I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at everything. So this is a little bit below the count. So this is actually pretty good. I would leave this there, maybe move it down just a little bit. Again, you can put this at the bottom if you want. Your custom sticker is right here, so people can see your stickers. All 5 of them will show up here when you need them. And let's look at the intro video.
Hey bosses, it's Nina. So this is just...
Yep, as you can see, that's in portrait mode, so I was correct. Facebook, you were wrong. The intro video, you can preview there, frames and stickers, and then also your outro video if you add that. After you submit it, that's about it. You're pretty much done with setting it up, and then you can go live and you can try it.